Morning guys, just a quick how-to on how to change your fuel filter on your 2.7 Discovery 3. I'm a bit OCD with mine. I change mine every 20 to 30,000 Ks, but I actually don't know what the spec is. I sort of change stuff when I feel like it, so yeah, just a quick video. Alright, so this is the Brits Parts fuel filter number for the 2.7 litre turbo diesel V6. And I just use the fuel, you know what I mean. I just use fuel line crimping pliers. Always got to give them a few test clicks. I was hoping I could use these because that makes your life real easy, but they don't seem to fit, so it's a no-go. So these guys it is. And as far as the fuel filter location, for me, it's up under the right-hand side driver's wheel, next to your tranny. So that's it, just there. So first things first, we're just going to drain the fuel filter and then pop all the lines off. So it can be quite fidgety to actually get these lines off, and I'm actually really going to struggle with the camera being in my way. That's where I like to normally lie. So you pretty much just get, what you got to do is squeeze in. So on both sides of all the fuel lines have those blue tabs. Might be a different colour, but they've all got a tab each side of the fuel line. So you got to squeeze them in, and then you've got to push down on the line and pull up, and it will release them. And it can be quite difficult to crack them off sometimes. That's one off. Right, so I've got 3 off. Just having a bit of dramas with the last one, but I should get it now, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Just gonna find what. There they are. Cool. Alright, so that's all 4 lines off. It's just a matter of so that's an 8mm bolt for the clamp. Thing I like to do to save confusion as to what line goes where. So I just put a paint pen on the bracket, then to the filter, and then it's easy for me to line up. Bracket normally holds it on pretty good, so I'll just give it a little spread out, and then that's it. Filter's off. And where did I put my GoPro? There you are. Hello. Alright, and then just an important one, make sure you drain it afterwards. Otherwise you pour it all over your floor. Learned that the hard way. Alright, so now all I do is I get the new filter and I match it up with the old one. This guy here, so I'm just going to do it on this side too. And then that just helps me line up all the nipples and fuel lines once it's in place. That's job done. So before I put the bracket on, I like to make sure that I clip all the fuel lines back on first, just so you got a bit of wiggle room with the filter. Once you got all your lines on, you just do your clamp up afterwards. It's pretty simple and straightforward job. Having those pliers definitely helps a lot though. They are quite hard to push those tabs in. And then only cycle your key for a little bit. And the low pressure pump should prime your filter apparently. I've never had a drama with it starting, so I'm not too sure what it does, but it starts, so I don't really care. There you go. Look at their toes. Big finger toes. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to order my CV boots tomorrow, so that'll probably be my next video. Catch ya. Obviously, while I still got ya, for those of you that watched my lift kit video, lift kit's all in. Rear coils arrived the day after the video, so I should have just waited really, but that's the bad boys there. Robertson's special order. And I've got some wicked grain clearance now. So to the lowest point of the center, I've got 330 mil. Call it 330 at the rear. And I've got 380 at the front. So hopefully I shouldn't bash everything up anymore. I can crawl under there on a creeper and everything. It's great.